Hello, welcome to formr, and let me tell you all about secrets. For this tutorial, I will assume that you know the basic in and outs of formr. Secrets are only really relevant to you if you want to access external services from within formr which need authentication. So for example, an API key or some client or user credentials that you need to put in to code and send to the external provider, like an SMS sending service or whatever, maybe an LLM research platform to get data. So the problem that existed before introducing secrets to formr was that you would need to code these secrets or these access tokens into your R code itself. Which is difficult if you want to export, for example, your run and send it to another person, because you might involuntarily leak those credentials because they would be included within the R code you write in your run. And also, if you maybe run your study and you're sending somebody else a testing code, so the codes which will show the open CPU debugging stuff if something goes wrong with the R code execution, you might have your secrets there, and people that are not supposed to see your secrets see your secrets, basically. That was the problem. So what we did is, under settings, introduce the R secrets tab. And R secrets now does store the secrets you enter here into an encrypted table in our database. So they aren't really in your run code anymore. That's the idea. So let's say we want to do something that we call SMS, maybe client ID, and that has some arbitrary value. And we click plus. And we want to have something that is called SMS secret. And that has some value. This is our password, basically. And we click plus. So as you can see, we fully removed your access to see what you've typed here, because we want to keep those secrets safe within formr. But we gave them a name. And that name is always secret underscore and then what you typed up here. And as this little text thingy explains, the way you can use these secrets now is to do .formr in your R code, which is just the local namespace that formr occupies within those OpenCPU sessions, and then just enter the secret name. So it is as easy as just going into your run or your R code, typing .formr $ and then the name, and formr will automatically recognize that you've typed this, insert the secret to your OpenCPU session under this name, and you can just use it normally from there. So it stays out of the run exports and out of your R code. If you think about it, you might be asking yourselves, but well, how does that prevent the second insecurity that we've talked about? An example, leaking the secret through debugging, for example. And the way we solve this for these kinds of secrets is that we go through everything that comes out of your OpenCPU sessions, which has the value of this secret, and we redact it from the output. So you will not be able to see this secret in your output that you see in debugging or that you see in something that gets logged on formr on the server, but you will only see a big redacted. So that keeps the secret safe that way. This provides a good way to keep your secrets safe and not hardcode them to R code anymore. And I would recommend to use this every time it is applicable to what you do in formr, because it's the new and the normal way to go about these things, and it's more inherently safe and keeps your surveys and your runs safe and protects you from accidentally leaking some credentials if you export the run or send the wrong ID to the wrong people. If you have problems with this feature, something unexpected happens, or you have further questions, please feel free to go onto the GitHub of formr.org. formr is open source and all the code is there, and it also has the GitHub issues page. And feel free to just go here and report the issue you have, so we can check it and we can help you and solve the issue for everybody going forward. Thank you so much, and have a great time with your secrets in formr. Bye.